and taping at the same time. Is this illegal? I don't know. Anyway, let me cut this down. I'm jamming. I'm on my way to my church walkathon. We're having a walkathon, and I had the privilege of having an influence in a fundraiser we're doing, and so since this is the journey that I'm on, I ain't want to sell no candy. Y'all know what journey I'm talking about. I'm talking about this total renewal, weight loss, taking care of your body, fitness, hair, everything, just trying to take care of yourself better. And I figure, excuse me, since this is the journey I'm on, make everybody suffer. I'm just kidding. Me and my mom, we were talking about, you know, just a nice little fundraiser, and we thought of, what about doing a walkathon? So today we are doing a church walkathon. It's a 3-mile walkathon, but if you walk it twice, of course that's 6, and so on, 9 and 12, you know, do your multiplication. But I'm on my way there, and I feel pretty good about it. So far, I just been walking like for 30 minutes here and 30 minutes there. I don't know how long this is going to take me. It may be a challenge, but it's a challenge that I can conquer. I'm not really worried about that. I got quite a bit of people to sponsor me, and I feel good about it. Let's go down here to this lake and see what I can get myself into, and see how I can be a blessing to everybody that did make those donations and sponsor me. Thank you so much. You're sowing into good ground. It's Fountain of Life Ministries International that they sold into. That's FOLMI.org. You can look into that. It's my pastor. And anyway, it's good things going on, really good things. And about that vacation I went on over in Orlando, just wanted to let everybody know that I did very, very good. I did very good. Kids walking out on the street. God. Anyway, I did very good. I didn't lose any weight those 2 days, but I didn't gain any weight either. So I am so proud of myself. I pat myself on the back. And just know that you can go on vacation, have a good time, not feel like you're imprisoned by a food schedule, and still, you know, just making an active vacation, you know. I walked the complex. I had fun. Everywhere I went, you know, we parked further away from a lot of places. Just had fun. So anyway, this is just me rambling now, but I just want you all to be encouraged and be keeping the sister lifted up, doing some good things, I feel like, for myself, which is good for the kingdom, because I'm all about kingdom. So just remember, while you're on this journey, you're going to be blessed. But while you're being blessed, remember to be a blessing. Peace.